Hello! In this video, I'll show you how to configure the myCred integration with BookingPress. First, install the myCred plugin on your WordPress site. Now go to the BookingPress Addons page. This is the BookingPress Addons page where you can see all modules, payment gateways and other add-ons. Now activate the myCred integration. The integration has been activated successfully. Now go to the BookingPress settings page. This is the BookingPress settings page. Open the myCred settings tab. This is the myCred settings page. First, let's look at the reward point rules. BookingPress provides two types of reward point rules. The first is transaction amount based reward points and the second is type based reward points. Now select transaction amount based reward points. Here you can see the minimum total amount and reward points. BookingPress allows reward points to be set as fixed or percentage based. Now take a look at the reward point settings. Here you can define how much value one myCred point is worth. Here I have set one myCred point to be equal to 5 in value. You can also set when reward points should be awarded. BookingPress offers two options: after appointment completion or after booking an appointment. You can also set the maximum number of points a user can redeem at a time using the maximum redeemable points option. Now enter the redeemable points and choose between percentage or fixed value. Click the save button to apply all settings. Settings have been saved successfully. Now go to the front end. Now let's see how to earn reward points. Book an appointment as you normally would. This is the booking summary page. Here you can redeem your points. Here you can see the total available points and how many points can be redeemed at the time. Uncheck the reward points option and select a payment gateway. Your appointment has been booked successfully. Now go to the My Bookings page. This is the My Bookings page. Now open the Reward Points tab. This is the Reward Points Details page, where you can see reward related entries and total points. The appointment amount is $80 and we have set a 10% reward rate. Therefore, 8 points have been earned. Now, redeem these points when booking a new appointment. Book the appointment just like you normally do. Now, check the reward points option, enter the redeem points and click the apply button. You can add up to 15 points at a time. As you can see, the appointment amount is $80 and a 5-point discount has been applied. We have set 1 point equal to $5, and if you'd like to redeem more points, you can edit the value and increase the number of points. As you can see, the amount has been updated. Now select the payment gateway and click the Book Appointment button. The appointment has been booked. Now go to the My Bookings page. Here you can see the appointment has been booked. Now open the Reward Points tab. As you can see, 10 points have been deducted from your balance. BookingPress also provides points based on particular services booked. Now go to the back-end side. Now select the type-based reward points. Here, select the service. BookingPress also provides support for service packages, which can be used with the type-based reward option. Now, go to the BookingPress Addons page. Scroll down and activate the service package add-on. The add-on is activated. Now go to the settings page. Now open the select type box and see the new option added. First, create one service based and after that, service package based. Similarly, when you book a service or purchase a service package, you can redeem points and also earn new points.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.